It's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. Let me tell you about one of my favorite Festool sanders. Safety first, hair up, and let's put some ear protection in. This Festool sander is called the RTS 400. What I love about this sander and the dust extractor that it's paired with, I can sand indoors, no mess, no dust. It's awesome on its performance. You can see here, it's tearing right through that old finish, and the sound is really not too loud. This top took only 16 minutes to sand. This is what my setup looks like. Festool power tools are top of the line. Want to see more furniture refinishing tips? Follow me here.